Alright guys, other than Bob Ross, this is the top product that I've been the most excited for this year, especially seeing all the Garbage Pail Kids autos, the Cal Raleigh Under Armour auto. So I'm super excited. We've got a regular chrome hobby and a Breaker's Delight. So 2 chrome autos and 3 chrome autos. So we're going to compare the two in this video. We're going to do the regular hobby box first. I'm really hoping to get a Garbage Pail Kid or a Cal Raleigh. That would be awesome. His his latest interviews have been absolutely hilarious. So no snack pack in here. No surprise there. But let's get into it. We're due for 2 autos. Really chasing the Met Alien Pena. Well, we got a purple here to $2.99 of Logan Gilbert and a gold on card to 50. It's not a first, it's a rookie. It's Reese Hines to 50. We will take that. And we got a Matt Shaw, It Came to the League insert. These things are so cool. Let's get these sleeved up really quickly so we can protect them. Got a Roman Anthony in the back here. Oh, we got a Scooble backwards. I believe that's just a refractor. Trey Sweeney, red rookie. We got a Met here. Juan Soto, we got to $3.99. Marcelo Meyer, nice. And Christian Moore on the, I'm not sure what the is, but these are cool. So it's like almost every pack you're gonna get a numbered card. Got a Marcelo Meyer to $3.99. I believe this is the mini diamond. This Juan Soto Meteoric Rise is just super cool as a Mets fan. I really like Scooble. I feel really bad for him. And I feel bad for the batter that got hit in the face trying to bunt. That did bounce off the ball. That wasn't Scooble's fault. Got a regular Skeens there. Cody Bellinger. We got a blue. Oh, Chase Hampton first. Yusei Kikuchi to 150. And Leo DeVries on the It Came to the League. That's pretty cool. I guess he doesn't have any firsts in this set. Pretty cool to get a on-card auto rookie to 50 though in this box. Both of our autos were on the same side, which is interesting. Get some more sleeves out here. Here's our other 3 packs. Oh, we got a third auto. Andrew Salas, Gabriel Davalio, Christian Moore. We got a bonus auto. We'll take that. I'll take a bonus auto all day. I don't know which one was our bonus, but we'll take it. 2 base autos and a numbered to 50. And a Leo DeVries. It came to the league. Not bad. And then we got Christian Moore here too. This is a good box. Rookie, Cade Horton. We got a Marcelo Meyer red rookie. Oh, max volume Charlie Condon. Nice. Christian Campbell. Shotaro Mori. And here's our last pack. Looks like the red rookies are coming out a lot more often. We got a mini diamond here of Dejean Marseilles, Jervin Murillo to 299, and an Adios Travis Bazzana. Nice. Nice. This was a nice box. I'm very pleased with this. Don't worry, I will top load all of these after the video is over. So the thing with Bowman is, unless these guys are playing and they got called up, you kind of got to sit on these cards for a little while. Because it takes a while for these guys to come to their full fruition. Let me get these out of the way here. I'm just gonna pull these out of the way and put the autos back here. That way you can see them. And then we will compare the two when we're done. So here's the Breaker's Delight. We're gonna get 3 more autos. We're gonna get 6 autos total out of this opening. That's pretty cool. Snack pack, snack pack, snack pack. All right, so we got 1 pack with 10 cards, 3 autos. All right. No redemptions. We got a Kyle Teal max volume. Here's our first auto. Carlos LaGrange. Second auto is Matthew Edsel to 150. And our third auto is not a first. It is a rookie. It's a Dodger. Dylan Dingler to 99. Christopher Acosta first to 150. Is that Leo? Jesus Mate to 99. Holy cow. That's insane. That made up for everything. And then we got an Ethan Salas to 499 here. And an Angel Martinez red rookie. That is not bad. right, so let's let me put these together and we'll do a little recap here. All right, so here's our hobby box. We got a Chase Hampton first on card, an Andrew Salas first on card, a Reese Hines rookie gold to 50. Got a Juan Soto Meteoric Rise, Christian Moore, Leo DeVries, Christian Moore, Travis Bazzana, Adios, Christian Campbell, Matt Shaw, Drake Baldwin, Gabriel Davalillo to 250, Yusei Kikuchi to 150, Marcelo Meyer red rookie, Yervin Murillo to 299, Dejean Macarez, Scooble, Trey Sweeney red rookie, Marcelo Meyer rookie to 399. And then here is our Breaker Delight. We got a Carlos LaGrange first, Matthew Etzel to 150 first, and a Dylan Dingler rookie on card to 399. What I love about Bowman Chrome is they're all on card. Then for our numbered cards, we got a Jesus Made to 99, Christopher Acosta to 150, Ethan Salas to 499, a red rookie of Angel Martinez, and max volume of Kyle Teal. So I'm gonna have to give it to the Breaker's Delight. That definitely won. But thanks for watching. I'm very happy with this.